friends, this is Relax Entertainment. In today's session, we are going to see how to square numbers ending with unit digit 5. So we are going to see how to square a number ending with unit digit 5. Let us take an example 45 square. What will be the step? Step 1. Except the number 5, write down the remaining numbers in the given square term. The number which you are going to square, except the 5, write the remaining numbers. It can be a single digit, 2 digit or 3 digit. So step 2. Now we are going to multiply the given number which we find out from step 1 and multiply with its successor. So we must multiply the number 4 with its immediate successor. So what is successor? Immediate successor. It's a simple term. Just remember this one. Add 1 to the given number. So immediate successor is nothing but whatever may be the number, just add 1 to it. Then you can also remember this concept of what will be predecessor, exactly opposite of successor. We are going to subtract. We just subtract the given number. We will get the predecessor by 1. So now 45 square. Let me again write down the steps. In step 1, we find out the number 4. Except 5, write down the remaining number. Then we multiply 4 by its immediate successor. Immediate successor is nothing but step 2 continuation, 4 into the term plus 1. Successor means we add 1 to the number. So we get 4 into 5, 20. So step 4. 20 is nothing but the first 2 digits of the answer. So final step. The last step is nothing but we just square the unit digit of the given number. What is the unit digit? It is 5. So 5 square is 25. And always remember the unit digit ending with 5, the last 2 digits of the answer will be 25. Always 25. Whatever the number may be, if it ends with the number 5, its square will have last 2 digits as 25. Let us take another example, 55 square. So except 5, write the remaining number. So just a second. Except 5, write the remaining number. Remaining number is only one term, that is 5. 5 into its immediate successor. Immediate successor is nothing but the given number plus 1. Take a pause. What will be the last step? We square the unit digit of the given number, that is 5. So it's a simple method. We get the answer as 5 into 6. Take a pause. The last 2 digits will be 25. Then again The first two digits will be 30, then 25. Final answer is 3025. 55 square is 3025. We take another example, 85 square. So 85 square, once again, except 5, write the remaining number. Remaining number is 8. 8 into its immediate successor. Immediate successor is nothing but we add 1 to the given number. That is 8 plus 1 is 9. Take a pause. Then the last two digits will be 25. That is, we square the unit digit of the given number. That is 5 square. We get the answer as 7225. So once again, we take another example, 95 square. So once again, except 5, write the remaining number, that is 9. 9 into its immediate successor. Immediate successor is nothing but we just add 1 to the given number, that is 9 plus 1, 10. Take a pause and we square the unit digit. So it is 9025. Last two digits will be 25 always. So let us now derive the formula for this shortcut. The proof behind this shortcut method. It's a simple formula to derive this shortcut. So let us take as the any given number the ending with unit digit 5 as x5 square. X can be any number, that is except 5, the remaining numbers we represent it as x. So we can write this, the term x5 the whole square as 10x plus 5 the whole square. So let us take an example. We are writing as 10x plus 5. Suppose we take an example of 45. We can write it as 40 plus 5. So again we can expand it as 10 into 4 plus 5. The 4 may be the any number, that is except 5 the remaining number, right? So we represent the given number 4. So 10x plus 5. So any number ending with 5 we can represent it as 10x plus 5 in terms of multiples of 10 plus 5 the whole square. So we simply compute the a plus b the whole square formula here, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 10x and b is 5. So it is 10x the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab, 2 into 10x and then 5 into 5, 2 into 10x into 5. Then b square plus b square is 5 square, that is 25. It will be 100x square. Once again 2 into 10 is 20, 20 into 5 is 100x plus 25 plus 25. So take the common terms, that is 100x into x plus 1 plus 25. So we are getting into the final result of the formula. You can see the last two digits going to be added with the number 25. So that only we are saying again and again, the last two digit always will be 25, since it is getting added to the two zeros. So the final formula is x into x plus 1, take a pause, then last two digits is 25. Let us take another example. and make sure we know the formula again. The formula is except 5 the remaining term into its immediate successor, that is x plus 1. Take a pause. The last two digit always will be 25. The simple formula for any number ending with the unit digit 5, you can use this shortcut method. Suppose we take 2 digits number, 3 digit number, that is 125 square. Once again, it is except 5 the remaining number is 12 and its immediate successor is 12 plus 1, that is 13. Take a pause and 5 square. 5 square is 25. As the number increases, the complexity of the formula also increases. We have to multiply with higher digits. So hence, if you know the multiples thoroughly, for any numbers ending with unit digit 5, you can easily calculate its square. So 12 into 13 is nothing but 156. So last two digits is 25.